This is the Aston Martin Vulcan, named in honor of Britain's legendary Cold War bomber. Engine power delivery is selectable using a selected knob in the car, with the first option setting to the power of 500 horsepower, the second option setting the power to 675 horsepower, and the third and final option allowing the engine to deliver the full 820 horsepower output. Among the most expensive cars in 2022, it costs around $2.3 million. Its 7-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine has a power output of 820 horsepower at 7,750 rpm and 780 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. The Vulcan is fitted with a magnesium torque tube which has a carbon fiber propeller shaft, a limited slip differential and an extra 6-speed sequential transmission. The car has a dry curb weight of 1350 kg. It uses Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires which are fitted on 19-inch Aptec wheels that feature center lock design. Its topping power is aided courtesy of carbon ceramic brakes, which measures 15-inch in the front and 14-inch in the rear. The Vulcan generates GT3 car levels of downforce via its prominent front splitter, rear diffuser, and adjustable rear wing. Aston Martin states that the car will produce 324 kg at 100 mph and 1362 kg at its maximum speed. The noisiest part of Vulcan is not the engine sound, it's the brakes. The car has a race drive push rod suspension with anti-dive geometry and is complemented by Multimatic Dynamic Suspension's dual wall DSSV, adjustable dampers, and anti-roll bar, front and rear driver adjustable anti-lock braking, and variable traction control. The Aston Martin Vulcan was made road legal by British engineering company RML Group through a series of modifications. The car remains the only Vulcan to be made legal for the road. Several changes had to be performed in order to meet road regulations. The group took 18 months to modify the entire car, and it cost around $350,000 extra. In fact, Aston Martin Vulcan is a state of art of engineering, speed, and its sound.